Hey everyone, this is Hariram Sankaran. I am a technical product marketing manager here at HashiCorp. HashiCorp is the infrastructure cloud company. We are focused on helping our customers do cloud right. That means providing them a single platform like the HashiCorp Cloud Platform to be able to manage application lifecycle management, specifically the infrastructure and the security lifecycle management, all the systems and processes tied to that. All our products and solutions that you see here on this platform help directly with that. And the HashiCorp Cloud Platform specifically is a single place to access all of these and do cross-product portfolio solutions, also managed by HashiCorp, so you get quick onboarding, lower TCO, and really all in all, one place to manage all of your solutions. It provides single place to manage your billing, all your resources, things like audit logging, and also very least privileged role-based access control. So from zero trust principles, having a least privilege and providing only what is necessary to various users is very critical. And so our platform is also focused on that very problem statement when it comes to providing RBAC on the platform. So we've recently released on the platform specifically for services like Vault Secrets, HashiCorp Vault Secrets, HashiCorp Boundary, HashiCorp Packer, the specific way to granularly provide that RBAC. So we're going to actually go ahead and take a look on how that's possible and what you will need to do to set that up. So I'm actually going to use HashiCorp Vault Secrets as the example. But before I do that, let's go ahead and see some of the users that are on this project. So I'm actually going to go on the organization level. And if you look at the users here, you can see that there are 3 users. One of them is myself, which is the owner for this entire platform. And then you have a couple of other users that are also part of this organization. They also belong to this group called HVS. We're going to use HVS as the example here today, HashiCorp Vault Secrets. So you can see that the 2 extra users that I have are members of this project. However, I've actually not assigned any role to this group, so they can't really do anything, and we'll confirm that here in a minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Vault Secrets, and we're going to play around here and use this as the way to show the RBAC. So you can see I have a couple of applications already in HVS, very simple ones, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new app. So you can actually go to the app section and see just your apps. I'm going to go ahead and just create a new app called Superheroes. Let's have some fun with it. If I can spell superheroes. Basically, this is my son's secret superhero list that is always growing. Daddy's not just the only superhero anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and create his first superhero. So we're going to call it Superhero 1. Who doesn't love Spider-Man? So that's a superhero right now. So I'm still the admin. I created the secret called Superhero, and I can see that my son's superhero right now is Spider-Man. I could delete this, edit the secret value, do a bunch of things. But we are just the platform admin. We just wanted to create an app. What we really want to be able to do is provide app admins and app secret viewers to be able to just either work on these secrets, manage them, or provide access to other users that just needs to see the secrets. You as a platform admin shouldn't have to deal with this. So what I actually have here is another place where we can log in. I'm going to log in as one of those 2 other users that I just showed you that are part of that HVS group. So let me go ahead and log in and see what this user is able to see in that same organization. See, I didn't show this earlier, but the organization name is hurry.org and -org. And right now, it's actually telling me that this user, hariram.sankaran, actually cannot view anything because they don't have any roles assigned to them. I can go ahead and see that I'm part of an IAM group called HVS with one other user called Don't Give Up. So that's all I can see. Now, this is because the other users that part of this organization need to be able to browse through the hierarchies in HCP, namely organization projects and then the apps. So all I need to do is, as the admin, you can see I move back into my admin console, and you can see here there are no other assignments. What I'm going to do here is in this project level, I'm going to add a new assignment. I'm going to look up that group. You can look up users, groups, service principals, etc. I'm just going to look up that group. Remember, this is the group that hosts these 2 HVS users. I'm going to provide them project level access, but I'm not going to provide them admin or contributor or even viewer access. I'm just going to provide them browser access. All that it allows them to browse through the hierarchy to reach the apps that they need to reach, which the other user is not able to do at the moment. So let's see what happens when I actually provide this. Now you see HVS, they have browser access. So let's go to that user, and then let's just go ahead and refresh the screen, and let's see the behavior. And now you can see that the project is available for this user. And if they go into the project, they can't actually do anything. All you can see is that what services are available to them. And I'm going to go into the Vault Secrets and go to my app section. Oh, they don't still see anything. So they're able to get to the apps, but they don't actually see anything. And that's because the platform admin has not given this user any app level access. So let's do that. So I'm back in the admin section. I'm going to go this time to Vault Secrets app as the platform admin. And here's that app we created, and we have something called role assignments for this as well. So you can clearly see that under superheroes role assignments, there's no app level. You see a bunch of user group service principals, but no app level assignments. So we're going to do exactly that. I'm going to look up just one of the users, Hari Ram Sankaran, and I'm going to give them, because we're under the app, we have the app specific roles possible here. There's two of them possible. One is app manager and then app secret reader. The second one is pretty obvious. They can only read the secrets. Sometimes app admins want to just give somebody else's access to secrets and that's it. But I'm going to, as the admin, platform admin, provide this user app manager access. So they'll get CRUD access and sync and all of that. Let's go ahead and save. So let's go now see what happens to that user now that the platform admin have given them app manager access to the app. So voila, we can now see that that app is available. Note that in the platform admin's place, there are a bunch of apps, 3 different apps. We only gave access to the Superheroes app, and only to Hari Ram Sankaran. So this user is now able to see the app. Now this user is a app manager. So what you can see is that they can see the value, and they also know that my son is growing always, and his superhero has actually changed. It's no longer Spider-Man. It's actually Iron Man. Oh, okay. And they're able to change that, and they can see it. They're able to change it. So this user is app manager, so they can actually update the secrets. They can also add new secrets. They know that my son can not have just one superhero. He has a bunch of superheroes. So his new superhero, Bumblebee, for all your Transformer fans out there. So they can create a new secret. They can also update existing secrets, all because in this app, they have app specific access as the app manager. So they're able to see, manage the whole app, add new secrets to the app, etc. Now, if you remember, there was 2 users that were part of the group, but only one of the users actually has access to the superhero app, and so that person is who we are as logged in, and we are app manager. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide that second user also access to this app. So you can remember, I am the app manager for this app, providing access to a new user. That's also something the app manager can do at the app level. And so I picked that second user that we had in that group. I am not going to give them app manager. They just need access to the secret. I'm just going to give them secret access. I'm going to hit save. So now you can see under role assignments for the Superheroes app, we have both users added by the app manager, but the second user is added as an app secret reader. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to log out here. I'm going to log in as that second user, the app secret reader user. And let's see how things look for them. Ta-da! And provide the password. So we're not the platform admin. We are not even the app manager. We are an app reader on a specific app called Superheroes. And if you go look at it, they can actually see the app's secrets. That is part of the apps, that both of them. One created by the platform admin just to create the app, and then the second one was created by the app manager. And they're able to see this, and they don't like these superheroes. They're like, oh, I'm going to change these values. Well, no, you can't. You can see them, you can hide them, you can copy them, everything that allows you to see the secrets and use them, but you cannot update the secrets because you don't have app manager or platform admin access here. So what we saw here is platform admins creating apps and then providing app specific access to multiple users. One user is app manager, so they're actually able to create a second secret value in the same app, or update the first value. They were also able to create another user or add them in as app secret reader, and you can see that user can only see the secret values. So to recap, let's go back to the platform admin view because you can see everything from there. I'll start at the org level again, and we look at the users. 3 users, Hari at HashiCorp, then Hari Ram Sankaran at Gmail, don't give up LIB at Gmail. The group's HVS has Hari Ram Sankaran at Gmail, and don't give up LIB at Gmail. Those are the users in this organization. If I go back to the projects, go into the project level, and I look at what access exists there, you see that HVS group, and all they have is just browser access, so they can get to the hierarchy to reach the apps. And the group members, unsurprisingly, are these 2. And finally, when I go to the actual app, Vault Secrets, sample app, role assignments, you see those users don't exist here, just the platform admin. We can do one more. Role assignments, those users don't exist. The group exists, but they're actually group as a browser platform level role. They don't have app access. And I can prove it to you by going to the Superheroes app and looking at the role assignments there. platform admin and just the group with the project level browser access, but here are the actual users and the users with the specific app level access. Hariram Sankaran has app manager. They were able to create a new secret under the same app, update the secret under the same app. They were also able to add this user as an app secret reader. We also confirmed that this user could only see the secret, but they couldn't update it. So hopefully you see how granular RBAC is supported on the HashiCorp Cloud Platform and for the HVS secrets application. If you have any other questions, feel free to check out our documents or reach out to anyone at HashiCorp and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much.